Like most of the time, if there's a piece that won't work or it's in really bad shape, then we'll pull it out. But this one's in decent shape and it's right where I need it. I can reuse it, and I just have to rebuild a new piece to match this new furnace. We're cleaning the line set because we don't know if this system used a different refrigerant from the last time. So instead of running new refrigerant lines, we're going to reuse it just because they have a membrane roof and this line set's in really good condition. So that's why we're just going to clean the insides and then we're going to reuse it.
All right, Donnie, go for it.
Nice.
That's good. Okay, that's good.